Okay, guys, we are welcome back to our next mobile app development training, or let's say teachings. In our previous video, we learned how to create a simple mobile app just in some few minutes, like 5 minutes. Today, before we go into publishing your app on the Play Store and also monetizing the app, because we already made you to understand that the first thing we'll be teaching you how to create the app with your smartphone. Then we'll teach you how to publish these apps on the Google Play Store. And the last thing is how to monetize the app and earn money from the app. That will be the last section. Because you are supposed to know how to create an app very well. Then you know how to publish it. After you have published it, that is where you can earn money from the app that has been published on the Play Store. So before we go into publishing it and all that, we need to know how to create the app very well. The other video was just the basics. So today I want to go into deep, show you the kind of apps that you can create with your smartphone and what you need to create these apps, and also some features in these apps and all the interface design. So if you log into the website anywhere that you find yourself, whether the home page or the dashboard, just click on create an app. I think I can check it on my mobile phone. Let me pause the video and check something. Okay, so as I'm saying, because most of us are using mobile phones, I want the teaching. I want to be teaching you and then be comparing it to how the interface will look like in our mobile phones. This is how it look like on my mobile phones. It might look different depending on the size. Those using tablets and those that our phone size are smaller, it will look differently, but the features will be the same. If you check here, when we click on create an app, we will see that the buttons are lined, let me say horizontally. We have popular, business, and then individual apps. We have them horizontal. But if we go to the desktop view on our PC, we see that it is vertical. We have the popular here, we have the business here, and then the individual. Oh, that is how it will look like, but they are just the same. You just need to get the tricks, just get the knowledge behind it and go with it. So I'll just show you the type of apps that we can create. So first of all, we go to the business area, creating an app for business. We can first of all convert a website link into an Android app. Let's say you have a website. Those who have website, I also have a teachings on how to create a website, free website. If you create a website and let's say you are not able to host the website, let's say you got a free source just like WordPress or Blogger, and you created the website and you don't have a domain yet, or even if you have a domain, you can also use this listen design to create the website, to create a mobile app for the website. I have a teachings on how to create a website on Blogger. You can subscribe to my channel and look for those videos. WordPress too, I have the videos, just that I want to upload them on my website and my channel, my YouTube channel. So you can also subscribe and wait for it. When I upload it, you get the video. If you just need help on these areas, you can just chat with me directly, I think, or you leave it in the comment section. I will get you the video. We can also create a store website. I think we can create a store website. This is the store website, just an e-commerce store, something like that, an e-commerce. We can also create something like map. We can create a map app, a map mobile app, just like the Google Map or any map that you have seen before. Mobile app map. We can also convert our YouTube channel, just like my YouTube channel that I'm sharing the link to you. I can convert the channel into mobile app. So when users download it, they'll be seeing only my videos, just like someone opening YouTube and seeing videos. If you create an app for this one, they can see your videos when they download them. You can also convert your Facebook page into mobile app, and that is this one. So with these ones, you will need to go and copy the channel or the Facebook page link, and when you get to the page that they will require the link, you paste the link there. If you have your link in your head too, you can just get there and type it down. Here we will be using text to create the app, and then this one, those of us who know how to write HTML code. I also have a friend who is also teaching on the HTML. If you leave a comment about that one, those of us who want to learn the HTML, I think I will send you the video link in the listen in the comments there. And this one too is a PDF reader. PDF reader. We have something like WPS. We use it to read PDF. We also have even Google Drive can be used to read PDF. Okay, that is all that we have under businesses for now. If we go to the individual section, in the individual section too, we can create something like VPN app. Those of us who has used VPN before, or those who have not used VPN before, I have a teachings on VPN and my channel. These teachings can even show you how to browse free, how to use the internet for free without buying data with the help of these VPNs. VPNs can even help us to browse free. So I have teachings on that. If you want, you can look for it in my channel. We can also convert website link just as we have it in our business section. This one too, we can do the same. This is a messenger with video call. Messenger with video call, like Facebook Messenger. I think WhatsApp too can be classified like that. This one is a media player. The media player, we can use it to play audio or video medias, and we can also use it to do streaming. This one is an ebook listen reader. I think we saw it somewhere. This one too. This one is the photo editor. We can use it to create photo editor like the Canva and other editors that we know. These ones are games. We can use it to create games. This one is a browser, like the Chrome browser, Microsoft Edge, and some things like Opera Mini and those that we have on our phones. There are many. I can't mention all of them. These ones are games. So just read through them, and the one that suits your listen, you just choose that one and use that one for your design. For today's teaching, I just want to create an app with messenger app with video call. I think those are some of the popular ones. If we check popular, what are the top apps that people want? One is the VPN, because VPNs people are now learning how to use them to browse free. So if you want to make money, you can decide to create one of these apps. If only your app you're able to modify it well. I'll be releasing videos on how to create these VPN apps in our future teachings. These ones they are on demand because they allow people to browse free. So you know our people too we like free things, so they are in need of them, pal. The store one too, people are in need of those ones, and business website, converting a website. I think my teachings I have a teaching on how to create a free store website or e-commerce website without buying domains and all that, hosting it. And after that, you can come and convert that one into a store with this bar. You also have something like video call or chat, just something that I want us to create. Okay, so I will be using this one, messenger with chat. I'll be using that one. I think that one is the one that I want to talk on today. Okay, if you get to this bottom, this is the description. This one is the most important thing. So make sure you read them well. They will guide you to create the mobile app. So read them well before you go. When you get to this place, if you were able to read the description, they will tell you that any field that you see this star symbol, it is red. Any place that you see it, it means that that place is mandatory, it's compulsory. So this place, the background image is compulsory. We can see the star here. We can see it. So we are supposed to upload an image. The image size, it should be a format that is accepted. It is they are giving the description of the formats here. So read them well and choose the image, and then you can customize it the way you want it to be. And make sure that your image the megabyte should be very small, because it will also depend, it will decide the size, or let me say the space that your app will occupy on users phone. And you know, people with low storage don't want to download an apps that has a very big this thing, that require very big storage location. Oh, I'll just choose this image. I think there are some software that can allow you to reduce the size of your image. I have teachings on those things too. They are on my channel. If you need it, just leave it in the comment section. Here we need to add this in Telegram channel link. If you don't have that field, it's not compulsory. But if you have and you leave your link there, it will allow you to send message to your users, those who will be using the app. It will allow you to send message to them directly without, you know, when they just install the app, they will automatically subscribe to the channel. So you can chat with them directly. After uploading your image, you can click here to see a preview. And then we'll go to the next page. This is the place we need to set a name for the app. I think our preview is still loading. So we wait. Okay, it is coming. We can see the image is a background, so it will be the background. Let's set a name for the app. So I'll just say chat app, the name, and then click next. After that, we'll upload an icon. The icon is what users will see when they are downloading the app, and also when the app it is installed on your device, whether phone or whatever. The icon is what will always show, the icons that are shown, just like we have WhatsApp icons, we have Chrome icons and Google icons. Their icons are what are always shown on the device interface. After that, you go to the next place. After you've upload the icon, you just need to click on create, and then you are good to go. Okay, we have created the app successfully. So after that, the app will automatically be selected. So you click on download button. Those of us using the smartphones, the download button, there will only be a download logo. It will be a download logo. It's not going to show that download. So let me check on the mobile phone so that you see how it will look like. Okay, so this is the download logo, and the app name will also appear here. To get where the downloads are found, you click on the dashboard. Wherever you find yourself, click on dashboard. It is found under dashboard. Okay, since that one has been selected, or if you the new app, okay, the new app is here, chat app. If that one is selected, you click on the download icon to download it into your device. So let me use the mobile phone to show you how it will be downloaded. Since we are not downloading it from the Play Store, it will pop up that the app might be harmful or something like that. But it doesn't mean that the app is harmful. You can bear with me that you are the one who create this app, so there will not be virus or anything on it. Just that if you don't install an app from Play Store, it is always classified as unsafe app. So if you are downloading it, make sure you download the .apk. Download the .apk. The .abb is what we will be uploading on the Play Store. So that one, now we are not downloading that one since we are not talking on publishing it on the Play Store for now. So after downloading it, install your app and test it yourself, and you are done for today. So I think this is what today we will just learn on. So let's try and use them and create many apps as we can. Just try all the buttons. When you try them, that is where you also get problems. And when you get the problems, you send the problems to us. We assist you to solve those problems. And when you get the understanding and you become a listen, if you become perfect in the development, that is where you can develop a professional apps and publish them on Play Store. And after publishing them, that is where you can also monetize the apps and make money from them. Done for today. Let's watch the video or subscribe to the channel and then wait for the next video.